To remove a SIM card or SIM cards from Redmi A7 Pro, it is actually very simple. First of all, we need to take a look at the left side of the phone, because over here we have the SIM tray where we have our SIM cards. There is also this SIM tray hole, and we need to use an eject tool that you can find inside the box of your phone, for example, and we need to put it into this hole. So put it straight in. There we go, and then once you are in, just push it into the phone, and then you will slightly pop out the SIM tray. So now we're going to use our fingernails or fingers to completely remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And now we can easily remove our SIM card or SIM cards from the SIM tray. Once you remove everything you want to remove, just put it back into the phone and just slide it all the way in. There we go. Make sure that it is indeed all the way in and it does not stick out. I mean the SIM tray, of course. So that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.